Hi, my name is Fredrik Rusqvist. I'm head of the Biometrics team here at Precise. Let me give you a crash course in biometrics. The most beneficial aspects of biometrics is that you always carry it with you. You don't need to remember a password. It's a convenient way of authenticating yourself. You are the key. Biometric authentication works by extraction features from a biometric data and then matching those features against previously extracted features from a registration process. The matching produces a score, and that score is compared with the threshold depending on the security level of the system. And if the score is above the threshold, the biometric data will be accepted. Precise develops the world-leading fingerprint authentication algorithm for mobile phones. Millions of people unlock their phones every day using our algorithm. We also develop algorithms for embedded applications such as smart cards, laptops, door locks, and cars. The biometric solutions we develop here at Precise are secure. The biometric data is stored securely, and in the event of someone trying to replicate your biometrics, for example by finding an image of your face on the internet, our liveness detection will protect against such spoof attacks. The high-end phones of today uses a fingerprint sensor placed underneath the display, and there are two techniques to do this. Either it's optical, basically a camera capturing an image of your finger through the display, or it's ultrasonic, which sends a sound wave that bounces on your finger and then it measures what is coming back. So this captured image, either it's from the optical or the ultrasonic sensor, is then sent to our matcher for authentication. The main focus of the biometrics team is to further develop our world-class fingerprint algorithm, but we also work with other biometric modalities, one being face recognition that we use in our unique access solution. And to tell you more about that, I will hand over to our head of sales, Fredrik Sjöholm, who will present Unique further in the next webisode.